Paano mo nagawang talikuran ng lahat ng 'yon para dito? Syempre in terms of yung sa kita,
Yes.
paano mo i-compare yung kinikita mo ngayon sa dati?
Okay, so parang Julius, para siyang, yung spirit world, parang nagpakita sa akin.
Mas mabigat 'yun.
Mas mabigat siya. So, it started nung 2021. I think I guessed it sa inyo 2021 ba? 2022.
So, during the pandemic nga, di ba?
So, winter, February 2021, nagigising ako ng 7 o'clock and then I have to open my laptop kasi medyo global yung role ko. So, gising na ng ahead ang Asia. So, naka 12 hours ng Asia. Ang Europe naka 6 hours na. You wouldn't believe this. Yung laptop ko na black na hindi ko na-mention ng brand. May small table ako across my bed. Pagising ko ng 7 o'clock, walang pumasok the night before. Sa room ko ako lang. Feather, 10-inch long, nasa tapat ng laptop ko. Nang nakita ko yun, yung puso ko talagang ang init. Uminit siya. And then iyak ako ng iyak na hindi ko alam ba't ako umiiyak. Tumutulo lang yung luha ko. So I have to call my mama. Sabi ko, ano nangyayari dito? Bakit may puting feather? Tapos iyak ako ng iyak. At that time, yung nurse ko na kapatid na nasa New York na rin ngayon, nandito pa. Sabi na, kuya, itago mo yan, picturean mo. Yung angel mo nandyan. Bakit? Bakit siya nandito? After namin ng call, 5 minutes sumatawag yung Duyan Foundation na tinutulungan ko. Si Romel, yung kinita natin with the bags and the shirt, binigay namin 3 batang nasa Tarlac, nasa ICU, na yung portion of it nasa Pampanga, sa ICU din ng mga bata. So the more ako nag-iyak na parang confirmation to, mission to na pinapagawa niya. On that particular year as well, kinausap ako ng dating president namin sa Pfizer Philippines. Siya na yung dean ngayon ng Asian Institute of Management. Nilinyahan niya kung anong gagawin namin sa artistry ko and creativity. So talagang, okay, so God, pinapamisyon mo ako. Pag may ako Pilipinas, mababa ang sahod. Wala akong kikitain.
Yes.
So I resigned from the company I'm working at. But hindi kayo maniniwala, again, sa tulong ni Ama and spirituality siguro, on the last day of my 2 weeks notice, we have this, parang McCann or Erickson, creative agency in the company I'm working at, internal. May OJT kami, may secondment kami. I did this 2016, so parang 5 years back. Wala silang position for me. So after the secondment or the internship, they have to let me go. I have to go back to my previous job. On the last day, nung 2 weeks notice, they were calling me, Romel, we have a job for you. Where are you? Where are you right now? Sabi ko, at 5 p.m. that day, babalik yung laptop ko sa company. Sa company. Sabi ko, babalik ko, you can do anything. On Monday, I'm flying back to the Philippines. No. We'll talk on Monday. We'll call you up. Give us your phone number, your personal phone number. So, in fact, 22, 23, I've been working from the Philippines. Pero I just have to show them after 3 months. I have to show up. Yeah. And then babalik ulit.
So, doon ka pa rin nag-work.
Diba?
Binalansi ni Lord lahat.
Binalansi ni Lord lahat.
You're able to help people through your art and at the same time,
still
may
earn.
livelihood ka pa rin.
May livelihood pa rin. Kaya takot ako na hindi tumulong. Any organization at all, and looking for me and reaching out, sige, gamitin niyo yung artwork anywhere you want to use it. Because of that. Actually, okay, sorry. May time pa ba tayo?
Sige lang.
Naman.
Okay, so I have to come back, right? On that particular month, March 2021, may quarantine so nag-Richmond pa ako kasi takot ako talaga, may fear ako doon sa enclosed space. Alam kong quarantine eh. Alam mo, para akong, yung on the 3rd day na para akong nakakulong, nagpanic ako. Sabi ko mag-exercise ako para mag-reduce ang serotonin, happy hormone. Walang pumasok sa room ko on the 3rd day kasi yung pagkain iniiwan sa labas. Magpupush up ako, yung may living room. Sa living room may sofa, nobody came inside. Pinakitaan uli ako, 10 inches white feather. Ulit. So talagang affirmation siya. And marami pang experiences na very...
May logo na ba ang company mo?
Nga, Jun, wala pa. Veer ko lang.
Lagyan mo ng feather. Kasi it kept showing twice na.
That's it eh.
That 10-inch feather. Di ba?
Nagsimula ng lahat for you.
Yes.
Pakita mo nga yung mga artwork mo. Ito ba yun? What is this?
Ito yung bago?
Okay, so this is the second bag na supposedly for Smile Train.
Yes.
We will reintroduce this year, 2024, kasi ang mga kababayan natin abroad, binibili nila for December as gift. Okay, so mga babae, again, Filipina symbolism, no? Filipino, so babaeng mga, ang tawag ko fish wives. Ang lola ko talaga nagtitinda ng karinderya. So sumasama ko dati sa palengke using basket. Yung
typical basket na.
So kaya very intimate sa akin yung hand-woven baskets, bayong. So isda. So namamaling kami ng lola ko every day of my hanggang college sa Libertad Market.
Galing.
Yan.
So tribute yan kay...
Tribute kay Lola. Oo, wala na si Lola ngayon.
Galing.
Papakita natin yung mga damit na dinesign mo, no?
Okay, so on the 25th, actually, there's this face model competition. So Face Model Philippines na ang mananalo pupunta ng Korea to compete. So we have some of the contestants who is here.
So you are contestants, no?
Contestants sila for male
Ganda ng damit,
category, yes.
But they're competing as models. And
As
they will
models.
just wear your clothes, your creation.
So they will wear 2 pieces, dalawang labas sila sa stage using my creations.
So, describe mo muna itong anong suot nila.
Okay, so ang damit nila is I think shorts, linen shorts and combined cotton and linen, hand painted. So ano siya, using acrylic, gesso and acrylic. Again, Filipiniana ang theme natin, no, na Pilipina na nakadamit na Pilipiniana. And then gusto ko lang na comfortable and i-promote din yung mga mananahay natin na local. Oo.
May
Ayan.
sizes ba to? Or
May
one
sizes.
size?
So small, medium, at XL, 2XL.
Pero one of a kind, no? Hindi siya kasi printed eh.
Correct.
So one of each
pre-order.
lang, no?
Pre-order. Or
pa
kung
ako.
anong makita nila, yun na yung bibili nila. Kung may available na size
see.
good. Pero they can also purchase without my hand paint. Kasi medyo pricey na pag may paint ko. And then yung female
Sa
natin,
ladies naman natin.
sa ladies.
Just stand there, ladies.
Ayan. So ito, these pieces will be shown naman sa Habi at Hibla.
Ibang show naman to.
Yes, for the 28th. So we'll be in Intramuros, Casa Manila.
Casa
Si
Manila.
Rosmar kasama ko doon. Kami
Oy,
dalawang
Rosmar.
designer. We'll promote sustainability and local fabrics and textile by the Department of Science and Technology. Medyo heavy ang science and technology natin ngayon to promote their technology using local fabric and textile.
Ito naman sa baba naman yung ano.
Pakita natin kasi
Print
nasa
yata.
baba yung
Hindi
design.
masyado makita,
Okay,
no?
pakita natin.
Ganda.
Ayan.
Yung nakikita namin eh. Ayan. Sige,
Ayan,
pakita mo. Yan. Okay na. Tinataas na yung camera.
For sale din yan.
For
Yun,
sale din
ang
po.
ganda.
For sale din siya.